Today is July 4th, 2024, and we've already made 3 meads today. An avocado honey mead, a mango honey mead, and a pomegranate mead with wildflower honey. I'm going to do a voiceover because there was a lot of noise and it was very difficult to hear anything under the mics. This video will be about the avocado honey mead. And we'll make 2 separate videos for the mango mead and for the pomegranate. So let's get into the avocado honey. First, with the avocado honey mead, there was 12 pounds of California avocado honey, and we're going to use 3.2 gallons of water. We bought 9.5 alkaline water from the water store. However, when we tested it with our pH meter, it came out to 7.9. We did 3 different tests with 3 different meters. All came out the same number. So be careful when you buy water from water stores or from vendors. You need to test your water, because just because they say it's 9.5 or 8.5 or 7.5 doesn't mean it is. And when you're spending this kind of money for honey, you don't want to piss it away. So it's extremely important. So we're starting off now with the avocado honey, and you can see that we're pouring into a gallon jug the alkaline water. And we're going to use, as I said before, 3.2 gallons of water. You'll see Roger Taylor, a mead judge, just like I am. I'm also a national judge, BJCP national judge and mead judge. You'll see Roger mixing the mead must with a drill with a stainless steel whip inside, mixing everything together really, really fine. You'll see me pouring the water into the must. We're going to measure the gravities with 2 different refractometers and with a hydrometer. I don't really trust refractometers that much. I've had a lot of problems. So we'll just double check everything with a hydrometer. So we've got the readings, and the readings came out to 1115 OG. So now we're getting ready to transfer it into the keg. Okay, right now we're looking at the top of the keg that has the avocado honey in it. And you'll see a device attached to the gas in post. You'll see it with the gray adapter. And the reason why we put it onto the gas in post is we don't want to go onto the out where the dip tube goes down to the bottom and you'll have the mead must coming out. We don't want to do that. We want to keep our mead inside. Anyway, so this device is called the Spunding valve. And in the center of the Spunding valve, you see a little meter. That's a PSI and bar meter. It will let us know the pressure of the CO2 that the yeast is producing, or the amount of CO2 that's being produced inside the keg. On the far left, we have a little release valve that you can turn. We have it set to the very end at about 4 to 5 PSI. We don't want a lot of CO2 pressure inside the vessel, inside the keg. And the reason for that is you can build up carbonic acid very quickly and maybe stall out the mead. We don't want to do that. Our pH right now is about 4.5. We've already tested it, and that's exactly where we want it to be. So that's a Spunding valve, and now we're about to get into the feeding. So right now we're adding 4 grams of Fermento, which is a nutrient, without DAP. I prefer Fermento. It's organic and does a great job. And we'll get into the nutrient feeding schedule later. Then we're putting in a full packet, 5 grams of Mangrove Jack MO5 yeast. We're going to stir it up. chocolate. Then we're going to put the keg cap on, set the spunding valve, and we're done with the avocado for right now today. In 2 days, we will start doing our nutrient addition, measure the gravity, and we'll do 3 other additions to that. The second addition will be 1 gram per gallon. Third addition will be 1 gram per gallon. And the last addition, which is about 8 to 10 days in, will be about half a gram. Maybe less. We'll have to see what the gravity is. Anyway, that's how we make mead. And stay tuned for the next videos later this week, because we're going to have the, as I said earlier, the pomegranate wildflower mead. We're going to have the mango honey mead as well. And just look up here in the video and you'll see those videos coming up.